Hey there, Leslie here. Well, today we're going to talk about 5 bounce back traits. Another word for bounce back would be resilience. How do you come back up when things have gotten you down? What are the traits that people have? Now, sometimes we don't have all of these. We have a couple of them, and we need to acquire the rest of them. So let's talk about the first one, is being authentic, being the real you, because the real you is important. You have been given gifts by God to use. You've been given a purpose in this life. Sometimes we have to start walking in that journey in order to see all that. And you may know what some of your gifts are already, or I would also call it strengths, okay, that you've been given. So be the real you. Don't put on airs. Have a humble attitude going into this field, because there's still a lot for you to learn. Okay, I don't care if you have a PhD in paralegal studies or you don't have any of that, but you have a degree in something else, or you don't have that either. But have a humble spirit going in. It will go a long way. Just be you, okay? Number 2, you're a flexible thinker. Now, watch yesterday's video, the one I did on July 11th. 2022, if you're watching this 6 months later, maybe in 2023, but if you're watching this video in 2022, watch July 11th's video about flexible thinking, okay, because I go into detail. But keep your mind open to different ways to get in this career, how to survive if your attorney leaves a partnership and doesn't take you with him or her. How do you do all that, okay? And by the way, I have a short chapter in my book, Legal Break-In, about that, but that happened to me 3 times. Number 3 is you're mostly optimistic. I don't mean you're Pollyanna and you're walking around, everything's roses all the time. That's not the case. But keep that outlook that things will get better, that you will find a solution to something instead of looking at the glass half empty. Number 4, reach out, make friends with other paralegals in your legal workplace when you land your first job, or attend paralegal association meetings and just connect a little bit here and there, not to take. Also offer services. I joined mine and I knew how to build websites and I helped them with that. And number 5, use your strengths. Okay, you do have strengths. What are they? Write them down in your notebook. Have a great one.